Happy 4th of July, guys. It's a hot, sunny 4th of July. Right now, we're just chilling in the pool. Crazy, he went up under.
Can I at least just do one dip? Just one dip.
One dip? Okay, go ahead and go.
Hey.
Make sure you don't hurt yourself.
I won't.
Alright, let's go.
That do something like this?
Alright, let's go. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try to get on this floaty right here. Can't do it holding the camera, so Grace is gonna record for me. Alright. You gotta move back some though. Hope I don't flip over.
Now it's just a black screen.
Oh!
You good? Die.
You get me? Oh, it's okay.
I think so. I think so. It's just.
I knew that was gonna happen.
It's 1 minute, so let's see.
That was crazy.
Watch it.
You about to try?
Oh. I can get on it. Dang, I swing.
Wipe out.
Dang.
I know it's easy for you guys.
I know. I can get off. I can get off. I'm just trying to stand up.
No hands. Oh. He needs some milk. Okay, guys, we made it. I can chill and relax now.
Look at our belly flop. Look, a belly flop.
This is relaxing. Dang, Grace, you splashing all that water on me, man.
Whoa.
Y'all wake me up in like 15 minutes. I'm taking a 15-minute nap.
Alright, don't fall. You fall, you sleep.
I hope y'all don't flip me over.
Don't flip him over.
Where Grayson?
He's right there.
He about to try to flip me over.
No. Don't do my belly flop.
Man, that sun is like basting on me.
You want me to
You guys see that? Look at that. That thing is like in the center of the pool.
No.
Watch the fireworks show. Should kick off like in a couple minutes. We park like way back here in the boondocks. Okay, fireworks shows have started. Y'all good right there?
Yes, you see that?
We made it back from the fireworks show. Now we're about to light our own fireworks. We didn't get that much this year, but we got quite a bit. But these are all the fireworks that we got for this year. We got two big ones over here. We got this bad boy and also this one. There's a 2-minute 36 shots. Yeah.
Dang, what do this
You guys ready?
What do this called the wet part?
I don't know. The fire something, I don't know.
I think it called it magma or something, I don't know.
Oh. I already got like a lot of people out here laying fireworks.
We're not moving the basketball game?
No, it's okay right there. We started late to this year because the fireworks show started pretty late. Ready? Oh. It was pretty cool. What are you trying to light? Gray, why you not gonna light it for?
Sit down. No, can I get the lighter? Yeah.
Gray, why you not gonna light it?
Let me see. I'm trying to see.
Oh, you need to light it?
Yeah.
Gotta find the stem. It should be under
Fuse
there.
cover.
Yeah. Remember what Grayson did last year?
What?
He put the fireworks upside down.
Oh, and then it exploded everywhere. Bro.
Yeah. Run, 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 run. Oh. What the? How many things is that thing supposed to shoot?
It's 6.
6?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, we got a car coming by. Well, we're gonna say the big ones for last. You can get that one. Yeah, get that one, Gray.
It's like covered with plastic.
Yeah, this one should be like a lot of different colors to it.
Who's Dash?
He's scared. He's up under the thing. What's his dog? Scared? What are you scared for, man? Come on, Gray. He okay? Dad's scared. He hiding up under the tool set. Yeah. Hold up, let that car go, and then y'all can go. Don't put it too close to the other one, GJ. Yeah, right there, it's okay. I don't know what this is supposed to do. Oh.
That's all?
Hope not.
I bet you that better not be it.
Which one was that?
I don't even know. That's
I'm
weird.
not gonna lie, Daddy.
That was not worth it.
Yeah, some told me not to mess with them, but let me go here and check it out. Make sure that was it.
How many shots that thing say it's supposed to be?
Which one was it?
This one round one right here? How many
No, it's
shots
supposed to
that
be
thing-
more. Look at this. Supposed to be
Yeah.
more. Hold this light for me, GJ.
It say 96 shots. That thing say 96 shots, baby. That thing say 96 shots.
Yeah.
They selling old fireworks or something.
That shit scared me.
Yeah, that thing said 96 shots.
Yeah, I should take it back to them. No, they probably gone, huh? Yeah, some told me not to mess with them, but all right.
Can't see. Let me see.
What's next? Shine a light on the GJ so she can see.
This one better work.
If it doesn't.
Yes, you do. Grayson ain't coming?
Nope.
Grace, you not gonna light anything?
You gonna light it? Come light it. Hurry up. All you gotta do is here. Come on. I got it. Come on.
It's gonna go out the wind.
You can't move, Grayson. You gonna burn me and you.
I'm not trying to.
Let's go. Run, run, run.
That's it.
That was sweet.
Big boy.
The big boy.
You gotta wait till this one goes. Watch this one.
That was scary. Wasn't expecting that. Which one you got, GJ?
Don't know what this is. Just grabbed it. Pipe. Pyro.
Grayson, you be ready to run.
On this side. Oh. Yeah, that thing started coming my way. No, it's okay. That's the other one, Tanya. That's the other one that didn't shoot. That's crazy. That was the one that didn't shoot. Like you see it on fire a little bit. Yeah, you gotta be careful with that stuff, boy. Glad I didn't walk up close to it. Got another one, goat?
Yeah, upside down.
So y'all can just bring the rest of them sitting right here. It shouldn't be that much.
I can't find
Ready? You can't find it?
Yep, I can't. You might gotta open this whole thing.
You can feel for it. Hold up. I think it's right here, is it? Hold up. Hold the light for me. Oh guys, we can't even find the light. The screen to what's that?
Your daddy like these. You sit back and watch.
Oh, it's right here, GJ. It's you gotta peel that back. All right, you gonna peel it back? We need the water hose so we can wet the grass.
This is good.
Yeah. Make sure you sit it up right. Or the bottom of it. Okay, yeah.
Right here.
Yeah, you're gonna sit it up like that. Not like that, you know, the other way.
What's this?
No, look, you're gonna sit up like this, just the bottom right here. Sit it up like that.
No, I thought you was talking about like this thing.
Oh, no.
Right here should be good.
Yes, sir.
Set it the other way. Oh, that's scary.
Oh, Malcolm.
Oh.
I'll show them.
No.
That one was decent.
Y'all wanna-
So these the other ones we got right here?
Yeah, we wait on you to do those.
I gotta get the water hose. GJ, you think you get the water hose to the water hose? So we can wet this right here and we're gonna put it in the ground right here. It's time for the big boys. Okay guys, we about to light this bad boy right here. We're
Y'all
gonna
need
stick
to
it in
light
the
us a lot
grass.
of them smoke bombs. We need them from
Come
Vito.
on GJ, over here.
We finna light them right here?
Yeah, because we have to stick it in the grass.
Oh.
What you need me to do?
With the grass some more so I could put it in the ground.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I might gotta run for this.
Look.
We're trying to get the water hose.
That should be good.
All right, let me see. I gotta make sure this thing don't fall over.
So,
I don't know what the thing.
oh,
I knew that shit was gonna happen.
oh, it broke off.
I knew that shit was gonna happen. So we need something to hold it.
What about one of them things over there?
What thing?
And I wonder
Well, we already done
if
this.
you know.
No, it's not gonna hold. We need something to hold it.
Yeah, you can't put it over one of these cones.
Like what? Like it's a big piece. Look how big this is. You can put that on there. You gotta sit up.
Whoa. So like,
To the camera.
who just said that?
It's some bricks I gotta go get from the backyard.
Just do another one then for now.
Well, you got the lighter?
Okay, guys, we're not gonna light the other one. We're gonna light this bad boy right here because the stem, not the stem, but the stand broke, and I need something to hold it so it can be sturdy so it won't fall. All right, you gonna like this, GJ? This big one?
Yeah, I got you. Right here? Or
No, we're gonna put it in the road. First, we gotta find the stem first. Should be like a silver piece or something.
Right here.
Shit.
Can get it.
This thing better be worth it. We spent too much money on this one. Okay, GJ.
I'm gonna put it out there. We gotta put this out a little bit further.
Put it like in the middle of the road.
Right here?
Right there.
Come on, TJ, right here.
I see it.
Right here.
Right there. Off on the ride.
Yeah, make sure you run like crazy with this one. Didn't like it.
You got me.
Got you, boy. Ah, there we go. Ah, that's what this bad boy talking about. Oh.
Look up at them.
What happened? Why y'all run? That was neat.
The last, like, a couple seconds.
That was pretty
They
good.
found that competition.
Which one is that? Oh, that one goes in the ground too, right?
Yeah.
Did y'all peel it right?
So right here. It's a fuse
Okay.
right here.
The water's still on, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we could just take this one out and put this one in. Look, we'll put it right here. Get the water hose out so we can wet it some more. DJ, get the water hose so we can wet it some more.
It can't go that far.
Huh?
It can't go that far.
Yeah, but it need to make sure it's steady because this fall out the ground. It's gonna hit people's house and cars. It's good?
Yeah. Feel it.
Okay. Okay, guys, we got this other one. We're gonna like this. You got a light? we go. Oh, watch out. Get that. I'm trying to. Yeah. That was nice. You like that, little man? So that's the last one, right?
Yeah.
No, we got this. GJ, y'all got this right here. You remember this from last
King
year?
of Texas. I do.
Yeah, you got to open it up and take the thing out.
Wait, don't we have experience from this?
You got to open it up.
I could have sworn we just had this last year.
Yeah, we did.
Oh, we did.
Okay, guys, I got to find some brakes or something to hold this thing open. We have to hold it up. Let's see what can I find back here. I got this pump running all day. I got to unhook this thing. That thing been going all day. I think I got some bricks over here that's not sturdy enough. So we're gonna get. Damn, I can't carry this shit by myself. I'm gonna try. Hopefully this will work. Damn, I got bricks right there. I'm way to the back for nothing.
Where you gonna put it?
You say what? DJ, where Grayson go? Gray, I need y'all to get them bricks from on the side right there.
I'll help your daddy right quick. Put that down. Let me take these loose while y'all help.
Get them bricks just right there in front of the car.
In front of the car. Put your phone down.
Look right here, Grayson, where you going?
I know. Sit down.
Where Grayson go? Is he grabbing bricks?
What up with this?
Sit him right here. It's like we're gonna box this thing in. Like turn them the other way so you can sit them on top of each other.
Oh, we sit on top.
Yeah, like that. Alright, I need some more. Go bring some more, GJ.
Oh, that's right.
Alright. We're gonna get some more. Make sure this thing gets secured. Go get another one, Grayson. I sit right there.
That's it.
Is it some more? If it's one more, bring one more.
We'll get one more.
So. Yeah, this bad boy's not going over here. right, go like this.
Huh?
You gonna like this, right? Well, that's not going nowhere. You gotta go.
I think the wind is.
Baby, you
Huh?
took a picture of all of these fireworks?
No.
Huh?
No, I
We
recorded.
should have, because I like that one. I like that one, and I like that other big one.
Oh, yeah.
What's the next
Yeah.
one?
We got these right here. These are the only things left.
I got one in the thing can waiting on them.
Okay.
Need the light?
Ooh.
Here, DJ, here go another one. DJ.
Yes.
Here go two more. How you running back there to?
Gotta give me something to drink. Watch out for cars. Drink water. Make sure you guys drink water. Beat the heat. Say what? Where Dash at? Let's see if he's up under this thing. I don't know where Dash going. He gone. Oh, look at him. Come on, Dash. You're supposed to be protected in the house, man. That dog is crazy. Telling y'all, I was thirsty.